Hello and welcome to This Is. Instagram has been getting in my back pocket.
How many minutes of Instagram do you use a day?
Probably like a total of an hour.
An hour a day. So
Yeah.
1/24th of your life you spend on Instagram. That actually seems like a reasonable. I assume you look at much more nefarious things on Instagram. But today, we're going to be taking a look at a wide selection of things that Instagram forced Matt to purchase. He had no free will in the situation. He saw the ads. He saw the things. He immediately had to purchase it. Why? Content.
So right now, Instagram is all about fitness. But
Of course.
I'm all about fitting this whole pizza in my mouth. Instagram found the perfect solution.
Great.
If you're like me and can't crush your cravings for pizza,
No.
we have Perfy, the perfect soda.
Lightly sparkling, pepperoni pizza flavored.
Everyone knows that pizza's best served room temperature.
I may vomit
It's-
thinking about this. This is the
Is is there caffeine? Forget about it. It's gabagool approved. It's got some pulp, which is not something I want in the sugar.
water, tomato concentrate. Those are not the first two ingredients of any soda I ever want to drink.
This is supposed to be like, hey, if you're craving pizza, what captured me on this is the quotes they had from it was like Tony Sodaprano, Pi Leota, of like all these different Goodfellas. All right, cheers, my friend.
Oh, brother!
Holy shit!
What the?
Holy!
What is that?
Kinsey,
No!
you will be drinking this with
No!
us.
No!
Okay.
That is vile. Oh my God! What died in this can?
Now take a whiff.
What the?
Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Oh!
It does like, well, you know what? So imagine pizza. It does taste like pizza, right? You're getting some of the cheese, you're getting some of the tomato. It does taste like a pizza that you accidentally spilled a little bit of Sprite on. I think that's probably the best way to describe it.
I was expecting it to be like pizza LaCroix, where like the smell hits you.
No,
No.
it's
Oh my God.
it's-
Oh my God. That is so bad.
if you're imagining a pizza soda, this is about as pizza soda as you can imagine.
It's advertising exactly what it is, but I don't like it.
I don't hate it.
I would gladly lick a diaper with a dead raccoon in it.
I've still got pepperoni in my mouth.
No. Oh.
I would love to study the mind of the person who made
I'd
this.
love to study the mind of them and then commit them for war crimes.
I cannot believe this is the way we started this video.
How much do you think we paid
For a six
a
pack?
12-pack?
Probably like $30 or something
Yeah,
dumb.
$35.
Oh my God.
Thank you to Notion for sponsoring today's video. Here at Overclock, we use Notion for our day-to-day workflow and organization, and we love it. It makes it so easy to keep track of the many videos we work on every week.
But Notion just got better. Introducing Notion Mail. Let's face it, email is a pain in the butt. It hasn't really changed all that much since the early days of email, but Notion Mail is here to take that next step.
Notion Mail sorts, labels, and organizes incoming emails, so it's super easy to focus on what's important. And say goodbye to playing schedule tag, because seamless integration with Notion Calendar lets you share your availability in just one click.
See everything you need to and nothing you don't with Notion Mail's personalized inbox views. And Notion Mail's AI assistants will supercharge your drafting game by helping suggest replies, adjust tone, and check grammar. It's the same Notion editor you know and love, now in your inbox.
Ready for your email on easy mode? We'll connect your Gmail account to Notion Mail for free by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on screen. And again, huge thank you to Notion for sponsoring this video, and I hope this email finds you well.
Wait, can we just maybe make these cans not be here? 'Cause
Yeah.
I just want it to not stink up this set.
After a whole pizza.
That's what we did.
That's like, I had this whole segment planned, but after a full pizza,
Yep.
I get a little sweepy.
I do
So-
too.
But sometimes I'm not bed adjacent.
Oh, I hate when that's happening and I'm forced to sleep on the whole cold, hard ground. Sunny inflatable travel pillow. As someone who has frequented an airport or two, I see a selection of pillows that people bring. This is a very complex
This
shape.
is an entire apartment for your face. While you set that up, I also this is not an Instagram thing. I just saw this back when I was a kid and I worked at Chase Pickin in Rochester.
No one remembers 1843, man.
We went out of business and a liquidator
1843.
came in. And the guy who was running the liquidation was like, I travel every week. He was working on an invention which I saw. This is the exact thing that he showed me. He's just like, not all necks are created equal. It's just, you go on here.
Okay, let's see
And
it.
you just,
No, you have to put it together. Wait, why are these straps so long?
oh yeah, because not every neck is the same. Yeah, strap me up, daddy.
It's gonna take a while.
That's why I said, well, you do that.
Okay, all right. So I will say there are some additional things. So you have an eye mask as well as the earplugs, essential flight travel items. So that's good. And you have a little pouch that you can kind of stuff it all in. You wear it?
You wear it. Whoa. Look at my forearm strength while I do this. Okay, now this is starting to get tight.
Well, good. Your face is getting tight.
Yeah, you just kind of stick your face. Yeah, and now no one can see that you're sleeping. You know how when you finish your state standardized testing and you get done an hour before everyone else because you aced that test, and then you start to get worried that maybe it should have taken you longer than 20 minutes to finish a 3-hour test, but you put your head down for a nap? First of all, I will say that those were the best naps I've ever had, and the summer school that followed after that had nothing to do with it. How is it?
Ow.
I will say this neck pillow inflates maybe a little too much. It is comfy.
It looks great. It looks so comfortable. I don't know if it's massively comfortable. You want to give that a try?
You want to try out the pumper?
No.
You put the microphone in there?
Yeah. So, honestly though, this is a vibe. It smells bad.
It does smell bad. Both of these things smell aggressively of plastic. Maybe it's just because I don't know, I'm built different or something. I just like lay my head back on against the friggin' chair and then I just go to sleep.
I'm not gonna lie, I like this. What I want is little like sleeves so people can't see what I'm doing with my hands.
No one wants to see what you're doing with your damn hands, man.
Like if you're playing, with something.
Are you like excavating for gold or something? Like
no, like you're playing your video game. Oh, this one is like, okay.
Man, you don't get, your pillow privileges have been revoked.
Can I see the Batman mask?
Yeah. I would not maybe call it Batman.
Vengeance. It's not about who I am under the mask. Where is she? I'm not wearing out.
We gotta keep this back on track. We've done disgusting things. We also watched Matt do disgusting things.
Matt picked all the items. Do you think it's gonna get better?
Next up, because you decided to scoff me.
I did scoff.
I'm gonna scoff you.
Why are you reaching underneath the table? What is underneath the table? A Steam Deck.
You once claimed you built the ultimate Steam Deck.
Yeah, this one was not the ultimate Steam. This is just the regular Steam Deck.
No, but you once claimed you did. I am here to prove you a liar.
Okay, go ahead.
Because the ultimate Steam Deck accessory exists right here.
I've gotten a lot of Steam Deck accessories. So what do you got here? Oh, good Lord. Why does that look like a pillow? This is another. Oh no, why is this? What is this? What are we doing?
The tagline for this is caffeine for your arms.
I have no idea what
that's
supposed
to mean. I'm not sure what
mean.
that's, yeah, okay. So it is like a beanbag.
So before we get into this, can you tell people how I use my computer?
Yeah, Matt does like this. On the bottom of the beanbag, there's like a little arm, but what does it go into?
So it comes with this strap on.
Oh my God, wait. So we just clip it in here. This is actually not a bad idea.
This is a great idea.
It's not a bad idea.
The weight of your device is gone.
That's why it's caffeine for your arms, because they won't fall asleep.
Oh, that's so funny.
Look, this is fat guy approved because it contours perfectly. Like it's like docked into my belly button. What happens when you are done and you're on the go and you don't want to carry this around? Okay, so you could just unlock it, quick off.
Yep.
So it just locks into that. But
okay,
I also got
a MagSafe mount.
A MagSafe mount.
Pretty good.
So it clicks into this.
So you can put your phone on your Steam Deck?
Yeah.
Why would you do that? So you just want to mount your phone to your Steam Deck so you can watch videos and play Steam Deck at the same time?
Yeah.
I don't know if I approve of this.
What? You can't take your approval back.
No. This thing cool. But like, where's my pillow going?
They're different. Bam. Ho-ho.
Okay, I guess that's kind of
pretty
cool.
And honestly, that's not that bad.
The only thing I can say is that I don't love the plastic, like the quality of plastic. It feels very like sort of cheapy. I would be a little concerned about over the long haul. That feels like the kind of plastic that when you like attach and detach it and pop it in and out enough times, it will probably crack and fall apart. So your phone there, and you also can adjust this down.
This is the same material as the butt pillow, which I was a big fan of.
This is $58.
I'm actually not mad by that. A little expensive, but like it's not terrible. Like it's a cool idea. This thing is cool. I think that the build quality leaves a little bit to be desired when it comes to the plastic and some of the actual like finish as far as like, you're right, it doesn't really grab onto the grill particularly well.
So what is the perfect thing to use with this now?
Probably a Switch Lite.
Can you just stop with the Switch Lite? It's over. Get over it.
It's not over.
We got a wacky Fortnite festival compatible.
We're really playing Fortnite. Wait, what the hell is this? Oh my God. It's the Guitar Hero, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So you could play Guitar Hero with this controller.
Great. I don't like this. This is bad.
This is the new hotness in all of gaming.
You can use it as like a regular controller, and then you pop on your frets, and you can play whatever you want. You have like the Xbox button. It blinks when you turn it on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it does feel pretty similar to like a Guitar Hero or a Rock Band controller as far as the actual frets. Like, it's fine. I mean, I'm not exactly one of the Fortniters. I haven't skibbity-rizzed lately. If you're really one of the Fortniters, then I think you could get some real whammy out of this.
The next, we're gonna need some room on the table.
Do we though?
Yeah. We need like all the room.
Matt has left me. Finally. I've been waiting years for this moment. What in the actual hell is that, Matthew? Wait, is this a go-kart?
Yeah, I know how much you love that kind of thing. This is another one of those, Instagram is like all about fitness.
What, fitness what and where?
No.
Kinsey says no, we're not allowed to talk about that.
I hope everyone appreciates Kenzie for being the only reason that this has not been canceled dozens of times over.
If this is what we say on camera, imagine what we would have said without Kinsey yelling at us.
Or with Aaron's prodigious amount of censoring skills. Oh, this is like a whole thing. It's also very pink.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be really pink after this. Yeah.
Is this an exercise machine for your glutes?
For a lot of different things.
Matt, I'm trying to understand what exactly we're gonna do with this, and I feel like all of the answers are gonna be demonetizable.
You ever wanted to cosplay going to the gynecologist?
You know, I feel like, Matt, at some point you were supposed to grow up, and you just didn't.
Oh, we got
Some assembly required.
Some assembly
Great.
required.
Wait. Oh, this is how you like crank it over?
And here's your stirrups.
When I go to the gym, there are a pair of machines that I'm always embarrassed to be on. And it is the one where you do the inside and the outside of your thigh. And I only do that machine when no one's around because I feel like I look very embarrassing. I feel like I think I'm about to have to face my fears live on camera, which wouldn't be the first time. I feel like we may need some more space than the table for this. It's like some medieval torture implement. Wait, that's too wide. That's too wide. Legs don't go that wide.
Yeah, it's about to.
Stop. No. Put it back together. So why don't we take this over to the other studio?
So we got one more item first that we would also benefit for some little extra room. And I think you're gonna benefit from using this first. What's my favorite thing to do at the holiday party?
Beer pong?
I was just gonna say twerk.
Is that really your favorite thing to do? I feel like you're not allowed to twerk. The holiday party's a no twerking zone.
Well, Instagram found a way for me to solve both of those desires.
Oh, twerk
pong. Twerk to win. This super fun game puts your twerking skills to the test.
Don't be fooled by him. He's inviting the
Fill
softness.
your box up with some balls and race to see who can empty their box the quickest.
Okay. I have built a very crappy twerk box. Oh, and these are my balls?
Yeah, that's the ball sack.
We'll be right back in the studio.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
That's a great song to twerk to.
So, we have some room to spread our legs out in here.
So I just,
Hey,
wait,
hey.
do I open it?
No, that's too wide. No. No! This is a medial torture device, stop it! Oh, they look like they go pretty wide.
Is this a stretching tool or is this exercise?
In both.
Ow. Wait,
How far can you go? Really crank it.
I'm gonna do this once and then you have to take me to the hospital.
Keep cranking, boy.
My legs don't go wider.
Crank that hog. Here, watch. Watch.
I don't know what you're complaining about. This is really easy.
Woo-hoo!
Ready for another one?
You know, probably not. Banana, banana, banana. Legs don't go like that. That's not the way that works.
So now Austin is ready to compete in twerk pong. For this competition, we gotta like.
Censor that. Okay, let's get the boxes on. I don't know why. What does this have to do with Instagram again?
I found it on Instagram.
Sometimes we deliver hard-hitting news. Sometimes we do twerk-offs. And you never really know what you're gonna get. And I think that that's a good thing. Okay, so I'm gonna just tie that on here. You got a little like jiggle back there. Oh, well, okay, all right, hold on, wait. That's totally cheating.
Ow! All right.
Okay,
Ready?
yeah,
Three, two, one.
Do I have any balls out yet? Wait, I'm done. I did it. I'm out. I'm the twerk master. Let's go.
I hate it here.
Let's go. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel.
Like, follow, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Remember, go twerk for your mom.
That's not good advice. Don't listen
You
to
want
him.
go text your mom this. You're a little hurt.
Are my legs supposed to feel like this?
Here, give me your leg.
No,
Here,
I think I would rather not. I feel like I've got a lot of things going on. I'm not really happy with that.
Like, follow, subscribe. How old was I in 2004?
34.
Okay.